It begins with the texture, an element as old as time itself, iron. Feel the weight, see the grain. This is the fingerprint of a world forged in steam and sweat. The 19th century, an era of iron, steam, and relentless progress. Leather, the fabric of industry, was untamed and inconsistent. A solution was needed, a machine that could bring order to chaos with nothing more than a turn of a crank. This is the birth of the Osborne No. 86 splitting machine. Born not in a sterile lab but in the fire and clang of a foundry, it was a marvel of over-engineering. Each screw, each roller, each ounce of its cast iron frame was designed with a single purpose: to last forever. Its blade, a sliver of hardened steel, promised a new dimension of precision, allowing artisans to peel away layers of leather with microscopic accuracy, turning rugged hides into materials fit for the finest goods. For saddlers, saddle makers, and harness makers, this was not just a tool. It was a revolution. With every turn, it promised perfection, uniform results, every single time. Amidst the noise of the workshop, it was a silent monument to reliability, a partner shaped in the hands of generations of craftsmen. Its precision allowed for creations previously unimaginable. Every saddle, every harness was a testament to its unwavering accuracy. As time marched on, workshops went silent, but the soul of iron remained, standing in the fading light, a silent testament to industrial ingenuity. Decades turned into a century. Empires rose and fell. Technologies surged and vanished. But the Osborne 86 endured. Its iron body became a canvas for the stories of generations, gathering the patina of age. Rust became a badge of honor, a sign of survival. For many, these machines became heirlooms, sleeping giants in dusty barns and forgotten workshops. Restoring a No. 86 is more than a repair. It's an act of archaeology, a careful disassembly of a puzzle built by ancestors, a cleaning of every part, a sharpening of the original steel, a reawakening of a mechanical soul. Every screw is cleaned with respect for the engineering of a bygone era. Every mark tells a story of a lifetime of service, rusty and seized, to clean, polished, and spinning freely. This is the essence of transformation. Reassembly is a mechanical symphony, each part returning to where it belongs. To bring a machine back to life is to prove a fundamental truth. True quality is eternal. After a century of silence, the first turn is silent and smooth. It is reborn, looking as good as the day it left the foundry, ready to serve a new generation. Every imperfection, every scar, tells its life story, the story of generations of craftsmen. It stands proudly as a bridge between the past and the present. Its precision is as sharp and true as ever. A shot comparing a century-old part with a newly machined replacement, showing how identical the design is. A proof of immortality. The year is 2050. Craft has not been replaced by technology. It has been elevated by it. The C.S. Osborne legacy lives on. This is the Osborne 86Q, the quantum splitter. Its form is a tribute to the original, but its function is science fiction. A lightweight carbon nanotube composite frame houses frictionless, magnetically levitating rollers. The blade, a monomolecular edge, is guided by a precision laser that reads material density in real time. It splits exotic lab-grown materials for bio-integrated clothing and gear for off-world colonists. The iconic hand crank remains, but now it's a haptic interface, giving the artisan direct feedback from the blade's edge. The principle is the same. The soul is the same. A perfect machine, redesigned for a new frontier, proving that the human desire for control and perfection is timeless. The final product, a self-healing jacket, a spacesuit glove, assembled from perfectly split material. The artisan makes an adjustment on a holographic slider, and the laser guide changes its pattern. The logo is elegantly etched into the carbon fiber frame in a futuristic font. C.S. Osborne and Company. Osborne 1826. Heritage Reimagen. A schematic of the machine appears as a hologram, rotating in 3D, showing the quantum-locked mechanisms. The hand crank detaches, working as a wireless remote for fine adjustments, blurring the line between artisan and machine. The machine is silent. Only a faint electronic hum is heard, a sharp contrast to the mechanical sound of the original. It splits a material with integrated circuits, cutting perfectly between microscopic wires. This is precision at an atomic level. A montage showing the evolution from the 19th century original to the restored model to the modern version to the 2050 QE. The futuristic artisan looks at the perfectly split material. Their expression is one of timeless satisfaction. The machine powers down, lights fading, and the rollers settling gently into their housing. A final, wide shot of the futuristic workshop, with the Osborne 86Q at its heart, a symbol of enduring innovation. The screen fades to black with one final image, the simple, iconic silhouette of the original machine, which then morphs into the 2050 version.